solve, give exact answers and approximations to 3 decimal places, find the midpoint of the segment with endpoints 2, -5 and 1, -7. I have the 2 points on the board, and now we want to use the midpoint formula. And the midpoint formula tells us that the x-coordinate is the sum of the 2 x-coordinates, 2 plus 1, divided by 2. The y-coordinate is going to be the sum of the y-coordinates divided by 2, so -5 plus -7 divided by 2. So the midpoint would be equal to 2 plus 1, of course, is 3, so that's 3/2. -5 plus -7 is -12/2. And we can simplify that one more step. The x-coordinate is still 3/2. The y-coordinate is -6. So the midpoint is 3/2, -6.